Imagine lying awake at 3 a.m. while your mind races through every potential financial disaster: a broken car, a sudden medical bill, or a pet's emergency surgery. For millions, this is the daily reality of playing defense with money, where every unexpected expense feels like a looming catastrophe. Most people think financial milestones are just arbitrary numbers, but there is a specific threshold that eliminates this midnight anxiety and fundamentally transforms how you navigate the world. It isn't $1 million or even six figures. The first real game changer is reaching $10,000. Before you hit this milestone, life is often defined by survival mode. You find yourself at the grocery store mentally calculating whether you can afford the name brand cereal or if you have to settle for the generic version. Every minor financial decision burns mental energy, a real psychological phenomenon known as decision fatigue. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, one wrong move feels like it could leave you devastated, making even simple choices like going out to dinner or planning a vacation a source of massive stress. Reaching that first five-figure balance triggers a profound psychological and biological shift. Neuroscientists have found that financial security actually reduces cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. This means that $10,000 doesn't just change your bank account. It literally changes how your body responds to daily challenges. A check engine light that used to signify a countdown to ruin becomes a simple, manageable inconvenience. This breathing room allows you to stop reacting to crises and start thinking strategically, redirecting your mental energy toward actually improving your situation. This safety net grants you a psychological superpower, the confidence to think beyond the next paycheck. You might finally have the courage to ask for a promotion, invest in a certification to boost your earning potential, or negotiate from a position of strength because you are no longer desperate. It creates walking away money that allows you to carry yourself differently in interviews and professional settings. The greatest benefit doesn't come from spending the money, but from the peace of mind that comes from knowing it is there, shifting your focus from survival to seizing new opportunities. The hardest part of this journey isn't the math, but the identity shift from someone on a temporary financial diet to someone who truly sees themselves as a saver. By the time you reach $10,000, the process begins to feel automatic, and you start viewing money as a tool that multiplies your options rather than something that just disappears. You begin to understand concepts like investing and passive income because you finally have the mental space to look toward the future. Reaching this milestone proves you have the discipline to achieve your goals, creating the momentum that makes long-term wealth building inevitable.